the birds, they are still noisy, and I'm already here in the bun. I am not sure if I'm going to eat this. Yeah, because now I am going to the gym. If I get hungry, I will eat this one. I'm not sure. Yeah, it is already 5:56. Yo, good day everyone. I actually just woke up. Yeah, today I work from 6 o'clock and I finish at 2 o'clock. And then I drive up here. I stay inside. Yeah, because inside was cooler. Yeah, and I fall asleep. Yeah, and just woke up. Oh, but before sleeping, I actually had a meal, a rice and in can. Yeah, tuna in can. The one that is coming from Stanley and Sarah Jane. It was my phone that fell off. As you can hear, it is very noisy because of those lorikeet. Yeah, they are everywhere up there. Look at that, lots of people. Yeah, lots of tourists. Today is holiday. Yeah, also there are lots of tourists. Well, actually, I'm going to buy a coffee first. Oh, look at this. It is high tide. That there are so many fish, big and small. There is event at the moment. Yeah, this company, Spontaneous. Yeah, this is actually the only one that is serving coffee at the moment. It is very busy over there. Yeah, I am shy to order coffee because most of the people, for sure, all the people, they are ordering ice cream. And I feel like if I order coffee, I am disturbing them. And so, yeah, I'm going to the petrol station instead. And it's cheaper also, the coffee at the petrol station. Today is Anzac Day. And there was a parade for sure this morning. Yeah, and they put these flowers at this monument. Yeah, lots of soldier, lots of army, navy, air force. There is one a family at the traffic light. Yeah, they are teaching their kids the purpose of the traffic light. Oh, this looks like my bun, but yeah, it's not. And if you are craving for Filipino food, yeah, there is a new Filipino shop here, Asian shop. Yeah, mostly Filipino products. Oh, they are closed. And the good thing here is they have takeaway food. Yeah, just need to microwave. This is where I'm going to buy a coffee. Long black, regular, start. Oh, water. Look at that, just water. Now the coffee. Got it. You know, I'm wondering about this high ace bun. Yeah, I feel like this one is a higher one. Feels like I can stand inside, but not really sure. Even this kind of high ace, yeah, Toyota feels like, I mean, looks like it's high enough for me to be able to stand inside. Yeah, all the coffee shops on the side, they are already closed. What is open is the regular restaurant. Oh, I'm not sure if this convenience store here serves coffee. Usually convenience store has coffee. I will have a look just from outside. They don't have, yeah, they don't have coffee. Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, it is now already. I don't see the time. Okay, it's 7:27. Yeah, and I just got here coming from yeah, where I sleep last night. Yeah. Yeah, this is here at the shopping center, and I'm basically going to buy something for my breakfast. Maybe banana bread. Usually the grocery, they are open already by 7 o'clock. Should I take this vegetable? No. Yeah, it's 5.50, but yeah, it's big vegetable. I don't need that. I get this one instead. This is just $2. Yeah, something for coleslaw. Oh, I already got these things. The coleslaw vegetable, this pork crackling, and a bread, stone baked rustic rolls. I'm also getting one of these 5 kg, no, 1 kg rice, $3.50.
Your call's app or Flybuys card has been accepted. Thank you. Select payment type.
Okay, so this is what I got. The handle is snapped, that's why I'm holding it like this. Yeah, I am day off today, and my plan is to be just here in the van. This is what I got. Paper towel, very important, because I'm not using cloth or rug for cleaning here. I also bought this bread. This is going to be my breakfast. Oh. Oh, some crumbs already in the floor. Not good. I will. Actually, before leaving this van this morning, going to the grocery, I already cleaned the floor. Yeah, this is what I breakfast. Also bought this pork crackers, this vegetable, because I'm going to make a pancit or noodles. Yeah, stir fry. I have noodles in the fridge, raw, and jasmine rice, 1 kg, and 2 water. The total is $17. And now I'm going to boil water for my coffee. Oh, it's not fit. I squeeze it. Oh. Yeah, this is olive oil. This is balsamic vinegar. It's a good dip for this bread. Originally, I am going to get the banana bread. Yeah, but I said, oh, it's too sweet. I don't like it.